Hi everyone! Today we're learning some really useful English words that start with the letter Y. Let's go through them with simple examples. When learning English, it's easy to get confused by words like yard, garden, patio, and courtyard. They all describe outdoor spaces, but they're used in different ways depending on the country and the type of space. Let's take a closer look at what each word means and when to use them. Yard. A general term for the land around a house, usually covered with grass. The kids are playing in the yard. Backyard refers specifically to the area behind the house. It can be grassy or have a patio, playground. We had a barbecue in the backyard. Garden usually refers to the entire outdoor area behind a house, even if it has grass or play space. The children are playing in the garden. She has a beautiful vegetable garden. Patio, a paved outdoor area, often used for sitting, dining, or relaxing. It's usually made of concrete, tiles, or stone. Let's eat outside on the patio. Courtyard, an open space surrounded by buildings or walls, often found in apartments, schools, or historical homes. The museum has a quiet courtyard for visitors. Yak, a large, long-haired animal that lives in the mountains of Asia, especially the Himalayas. People use it for carrying loads, milk, and wool. The yak is well adapted to cold mountain climates. Yam, a sweet potato-like vegetable. She baked a yam for dinner. Yarn, thick thread used for knitting or crochet. She bought red yarn to knit a sweater.
The cat is playing with a ball of yarn.
Yawn, to open your mouth wide when tired or bored. He yawned during the boring class.
I tried to suppress a yawn in class. Suppress. To stop yourself from showing, feeling, or expressing something. She tried to suppress a laugh.
Year, 12 months. We traveled a lot this year.
We moved to Spain last year. I want to travel more next year. The school year starts in September.
Yearly, annual, happening once a year. The rent increases yearly.
The company has a yearly meeting in June. She finished the yearly report today. Their yearly income increased. Yell, to shout loudly. She yelled for help. Yell at someone, to speak very loudly to someone, usually because you are angry. The teacher yelled at the students. My dad yelled at me for being late. Please don't yell at me. Shout, to speak very loudly to get attention, to be heard, or because of strong emotions. She shouted my name from across the street. Yell at someone often sounds angry or emotional. Shout to someone often means speaking loudly because of distance or noise.
Yellow, a bright color. The sunflowers are yellow.
She is wearing a yellow shirt.
Yes, a word used to agree or confirm. Do you want to go? Yes, I do.
She decided to say yes. I expected a yes answer. Please answer yes or no.
Yeah is an informal way to say yes. It's common in casual conversations.
Yeah, let's go now. Yeah, sure, I can help you.
Yesterday, the day before today. I saw her yesterday.
They arrived yesterday evening. We met yesterday afternoon. I saw him yesterday morning.
Yogurt, a creamy dairy food. I eat yogurt for breakfast.
Greek yogurt has a lot of protein.
Yolk, the yellow part of an egg. Don't break the yolk when you fry the egg.
The egg yolk is yellow. Young, not old. They are young and full of energy.
Youth, the time when someone is young. He enjoyed the freedom of his youth. Yummy, tasting very good. This cake is really yummy. Below are some common expressions and phrases, all informal and widely used in everyday speech, especially by children.
Kids always say, "Yummy in my tummy," after eating something they love.
That smells yummy. What are you cooking?
Your lunch looks yummy. I brought you a little yummy treat, chocolate cookies. Grandma always makes yummy food for us.
To finish, here's a short cultural note about a song that shares its title with one of today's words. Can you guess it? Yes, of course. It's Yesterday by the Beatles. The song Yesterday by the Beatles is one of the most famous songs in music history. It was written mainly by Paul McCartney and released in 1965. The song is known for its simple melody and emotional lyrics about loss and memories, and it has been covered by many artists around the world.
Awesome! You've just learned 20 English words starting with Y. Keep going, check out the next video, and grow your English from A to Z.